Okay, you know the drill. 2 years ago, procrastinating, stupid Japan project. This is the final part. It's finally done. It's finally done after 2 years. We're in Osaka now, and then we'll end the trip in Tokyo. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
When all else fails, you got my family mark chicken. Oh shit. Oh shit. I fall. This classic character.
It's also around this point where not only does the footage start decreasing, but the stuff we do each day does as well. Today was uneventful. 10-kilometer walks to Osaka Castle and Dotonbori Market, I think? That's what it's called? Yep, okay, Google Maps confirmed it.
So tired. So cool. Bitch. Oh my god, okay, I hope Nick's hotel's nice. Let's check out. Same bar. Except exactly the same. A bit more modern. And the view, holy
January 12th, that marks over 2 weeks in Japan. Well, we went to the basic place. You know where this is. I don't think I need to introduce it.
Dude, is this you?
Kung kuwata para no?
The fuck is happening? Go, do it again, bitch. Do it again.
Look at me, go na
Our second last day took us to the Nara Deer Park, where we kinda just fucked around with the deer and my Pikachu hat.
I'm here with some news. I'm gonna try to communicate with it. Fuck. I'm going to assert my alpha dominance. Wow, what's this deer? How fascinating! I seem to have found a deer over here, standing next to some shit. Fuck you.
penultimate day of the trip was extremely boring. We went to an aquarium. That's pretty much it. It feels quite nostalgic looking back at all this footage. Even though it was only 2 years ago, I have changed a lot as a person since then. And it's just feels nice, I guess, that I have all these memories I can always look back to. That's why, guys, just record your trips. Take as many photos, take as many videos as you need to. Because seriously, it's amazing. That sentimentalness aside, enjoy the rest of the sashimi footage. Okay, now the vlog's not over just yet. We still have one more day to go. And what better way to spend it than back at Tokyo for a pretty grand finale, consisting of this 2 Michelin star dinner and a 5-star hotel overlooking Tokyo Station. I really hope you enjoy these last tidbits of Japan, the first trip. It was honestly such a joy to finally edit this video series, and I'm so excited to actually start posting weekly vlogs. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you do want to see more travel vlogs. Also, stay tuned for the remaining 2 Japan trips I had that year in September and the following January, as everything ties back together and my 2-year-long video backlog finally wraps up. Packed up now, and we're gonna check out the hotel and head to the airport. Bye bye.
Door が閉まります。